Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2413th edition of Short-Term Trading live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, remember how risky this game is. Risk, risk, risk. Never trade futures, stocks, ETFs, NFTs. Never trade cryptos. Don't trade anything without putting your protective stops in first. All right, and remember, subscribe to this YouTube channel so you are in tune with each and every one of my new video posts. This video coming at you on a Sunday night for trading Sunday through Monday, May 16th, 2022. Traders, this video is two-part. One, to tell you and remind you, do not fall in love with the upside. So, yes, we've had a little rally. Why? Because we bounced off of support. Watch, I'll light it up for you. We bounced off this channel support, right? Support, bounced off of it. Well, we had a nice rally day. Do not fall in love with the upside because in reality, it's just stuck inside of a channel. Right here, to here, to here, to here, right? We're stuck in the channel. So don't fall in love with the upside. You might get an up day, you might not, but I'm not going to fall in love with it. The OMNI is green and does want us to buy dips, but we will be cautious about buying those dips, and there will have to be deep dips before we get involved. So remember, do not fall in love with the upside. That's number one. Number two is to invite you to my Metastock Traders Conference. It's called the Metastock, well, it's actually called the Metastock Traders Conference. And we will be presenting to you today, being Monday, at 5 p.m. Eastern. Let me show you. So, at 5 p.m. Eastern, I will be doing the Metastock Traders Summit. My portion starts at 5 p.m. today on Monday, and I will go over a bunch of charts and show you how I think the charts have worked so far and where that might take us going into the rest of this week. It is free to you. The free access link is just below this video. Click it now. It's a free invitation. There are 35 other presenters. My portion starts today, Monday at 5 p.m. Eastern. Tune in to the Metastock Traders Summit. Click your link below, and it's absolutely free access. No credit cards, no nonsense. Russell 2000 chart. Once again, just like the S&P, stuck in a channel. And finds support. But I would not fall in love with the upside because, as I mentioned in the S&P channel, it's just a channel and it seems to fall apart when it makes its way back to the top of that channel. So yeah, you may get an update, you may hit the top of the channel. We will be a buyer of deep dips. Otherwise, once it gets up here, I'm hoping for an OMNI sell signal. We'll take that one day at a time. Traders, I've got a lot of charts I want to show you. Join me today, 5 p.m. today, this Monday, 5 p.m. Your free access link is below. I will see you there. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, I will see you all at the Metastock Traders Summit this afternoon at 5 p.m. Be sure to tune in. I will see you there.